can just use a regular comb at home, but since she's got a lot of gunk in there typically after, you know, being born. So the toothbrush scrubs it out. The toothbrush works just as well. Yeah. Right? For some reason, this is Kid's favorite part. Yeah.
Sorry. Hey you guys, welcome to the vlog. I know this is the welcoming of our new baby girl page, and I just want to explain to you or I just want to share with you my experience so far. Because everything is still fresh, I want to just start from the C-section. And I was pretty nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I was nervous about the C-section. I was nervous about getting the shot in my back. It wasn't bad. They put you in this rounded posture, and you have someone in front of you helping you and just prepping you throughout the experience. The shot wasn't bad at all. I thought it would be excruciating pain or something like that, but it wasn't bad at all. Then it went from the shot to saying, Magda, quickly take your legs and put it over the bench, because the anesthesia works very quickly from the bottom, you know, from your lower half. So pretty much from the top of my stomach to the bottom of my toes was all numb. I didn't feel anything throughout the procedure. All I felt was the first thing I heard was the doctor saying, okay, we got it open. And I'm thinking, I'm laying there in the bed like, what, you guys cut me open already? And then they said, you're going to feel pressure. The baby's here. The whole entire procedure only took about 15 minutes. You're going to feel pressure. The baby's coming. So they pushed my stomach down. They said, oh, this one is a lucky one because the cord was wrapped around her neck 3 times. So they was able to take her. She was fine. She was breathing. Everything was good. She came out crying. You see her little belly, her little body. And from that experience, from the C-section, then we go into the recovery room. From the recovery room, then we go to our room. And she's with us the whole entire time because they were very nice. If you have a birth plan, let them know in advance what you want, what you don't want. The things that I wanted to make sure of after we gave birth was skin-to-skin contact. I wanted to not wash her right away because I forget what it's called. I don't know how to pronounce it. The Velcro. It needs to stay on their skin to help to keep her skin nice and moisturized, so that stayed on her skin for 24 hours. With infants, they don't need to take a shower right away. So that was good. Keeping that on there. And what was the third thing? Breastfeeding was a big one. So when we went to the recovery room, her mouth, she's just moving her mouth, and she instantly started breastfeeding. And she latched on instantly. So breastfeeding wasn't an issue for me. And right now, I'm getting her to breastfeed every 2 to 3 hours regularly. Came in, my stuff that I came in is in this bag. After the surgery, I couldn't take down any water. So my mom, she came with soda. And I was able to drink some ginger ale. And that was about it. We have her outfits. I have this cute little swaddling blanket with the matching headband, just to take pictures. I have her blanket, her going home outfit, this, her suction things, have her coat to go home in, The suitcase I really didn't need to bring because I barely used anything. The only thing that I used out of my suitcase were my toiletries, and that was it. And you have the little one here. So just bring in a lot of extra stuff. Oh, and I also have my nursing pillow. I bring that as well. So the nursing pillow was a good add. That was very helpful. And you see little baby Paige. Like the lighting isn't the best. She's sleeping right now. I keep giving her this chest. I gotta make sure I give her the.
You gotta figure out the titty.
I gotta figure out.
Give her the right titty.
Give her the right titty. I do need to give her the right titty because she's always on the left. So breakfast came in. Let's show you guys what I have today. They have pancakes, and these are whole eggs. We had to ask, well, we requested whole eggs. Ralph, he's being so good because I've been tired lately, so he ordered this. And to be quite honest with you, when you're in a hospital, even though it's a hospital, they don't have the most healthiest options. So in my situation, I have to go with what is best. And right now this is an option. They have oatmeal, they have sandwiches. It's not really creative, the menu, but you make the best out of the situation that you're in. You have your fruits, and then we're gonna go for a massage. So I go for my massage in about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna get ready for that.
Got over there for you. Okay. Oh shit. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, I don't know too bad. It look, you know. What else? They keep giving you junk. See, I made you real food. Let me show you. I took over to get some real nutrition. I made grass-fed beef, avocado, mushrooms. It's really seasoned, so I think you'll like it. Some real food. Yeah, grass-fed steak, avocado, tomatoes, mushroom, celery, some real nutrition. You want that breast milk to hit. You hear me? You want that breast milk to hit.